Okay.
Good morning, my name is Kate, I'm from the UK and this item is a hot sale. I bought 1000 boxes for try and now I'm out of stock after only 1 week and it's amazing. Now I'm going to purchase from Landside again. It's a very good quality for a good price and if you're interested, come on, just try.
Hi, my name is Nadi. I'm from Germany. I found this beautiful solar pathway light online and bought it from Landside. I'm really happy to have this light now. My clients are really interested in this light and they give me a lot of orders at present. So this light is made of stainless steel and glass lampshade. The pattern shot is extremely nice. If you want to buy this light, I would like to tell you it's a great choice.
Hi, I'm Lily from France. This is a smaller solar flame light. Seems no difference with the common size one, right? However, the price is much lower. I tasted the sample and bought one from Landside. It's very competitive on market with a low price and same effect. If you are looking for this light, come on, this is the right choice.
Hi, I'm Zach from the USA. I bought this product from Landside Ltd. I chose them because they're the first company to make this product. They gave me all pros and cons, and finally gave me resolutions for all issues. I really appreciate what they've done for me because they're the first company I can talk with like this. Now, these lights are doing very well in my country comparing with other competitors. I highly recommend Landside Ltd.
From USA, and I found this product bestseller on Amazon.com. I chose Landside as my supplier from Alibaba.com. Kevin from Landside is very helpful, very professional, and always respond to my query on time. I really like this product because this product looks very good and they use a true 2200 battery inside, which is almost and nearly to the full-size solar panel. This product I am selling now 500 boxes a week, and I will definitely put some repeat order very soon. Thank you.